Hi friends, and welcome to the Wyze window cam installation video. This might be the shortest installation video we have ever made, and honestly, we probably don't even need one. It's that easy. Let's just jump on in. First, let's clean your dirty window. You really only need to clean where this little camera will go, but I'd recommend cleaning the whole thing. When was the last time you actually did that? Next, peel the protective film from the mounting sticker. Pop that guy wherever you want. As long as it's a clean window, you'll be solid. Next, you'll want to remove the protective film off the camera lens and then take the camera and attach it to the mounting sticker. Next, plug in your camera with the included giant 10-foot cable, then use the included cable clips to keep the cable looking nice and tidy. Then plug it into the wall plug. Go ahead and open the Wyze app and hit the plus symbol to add a new device and select Window Cam. Next, you'll want to tap the setup button on the camera to begin the pairing process with your Wyze app. And that's literally all there is to it. Enjoy your new Wyze window cam.